Hi, this is Perry with the Hampton Network, and if you're new to this channel, we talk about how to make money online, starting a profitable business. We also talk about crypto and personal finance and investing. So I want to welcome you to the video. I want to go ahead and start the video. I'll share my screen with you. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and let's get right to the video. Hi everyone. So I have some great news for you guys in the crypto space today. So I want to kind of give you guys an update on what's happening in the crypto market. Also want to say thanks to all my subscribers, and also I appreciate you guys commenting and asking me to create videos. I had a subscriber asking me, I think a couple of days ago, to do another video on crypto. So here we go. So before I get started, I want to take a look at CoinMarketCap, see how everything is going. So currently the market cap is just over 358 billion. 24-hour volume is 90 billion. Keep your eye on this Bitcoin dominance number here. Right now it's 60.9. The altcoins, that's every coin other than Bitcoin, are going to actually do very well the lower this number here gets. So taking a quick look at the top 10 here today, the top 10 today is going to be Bitcoin, currently trading at 1108.38. This price continues to rise as we're currently in a bull market. So we have a lot of long-term sustainable growth in our future. Now at any point, we could have a dip, and I think a dip would be healthy. What I mean by a dip is if that price drops. We do have a CME futures gap right around at like 9,700, so I don't know if that gap will get filled or not. But just in case it does, I have a buy order right down there to make sure I can catch in on that price if it goes that far, if it goes that low actually. So Ethereum's actually been doing very, very well lately. So I'm certainly glad I have a position in Ethereum. Also, XRP is doing good. Tether is okay. We have Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin SV Litecoin, Cardano. This is one of my favorites. I'll be sharing with you guys at the end of the video my favorite coins. So you want to stay to the end for that. Also at number 9 is Chainlink. Number 10 is Binance Coin. Let's take a look at the top gainers of the day. Let's see what we got here. Okay, great. Band Protocol. I'll be talking about this later in the video as well. This coin has seriously been pumping. And I suspect that's because it's going to get listed on Coinbase Pro, I think on the 10th, but I'll talk about that later. Next up, Kava, Balancer, Decentraland, Dash, Blockstack, Flexicoin, IXRLC, Algorand, and Bancor. Let's just take a look at these gains, folks. And this is typical, honestly, for the altcoins, especially and the current state that we're in this market in terms of the bull run. So I'm actually very excited about these coins, and a lot of folks are going to do well in this space. And real quick before I go to the losers of the day, this is not financial advice. I'm not your personal advisor. You guys should definitely do your own research, make your own decisions, and make your own investment decisions. That is okay. But let's take a look at the top losers of the day: Aurora, Ampleforth, DX Chain Token, Quant, Celsius, Nexo, Hedge Trade, Midas Touch, Swipe, and Maker. So what I want to do now, I want to kind of share something else with you guys here. I'll leave links to some of these websites in the description below, so you guys can visit them at your leisure. But one thing I like to do is take a look here at cryptoalerts.ai. The AI means artificial intelligence. So what you can do, if you want to kind of keep an eye on, certain cryptos based off of, technical analysis, because as you guys know, there's technical analysis and there's fundamentals. Fundamentals is basically how the projects are doing, kind of some of what's going on in the news. But the technicals are based on, these chart patterns and just technical analysis. So one, because I want to try and keep this video short, I'll kind of give you one thing that I kind of look at in terms of cryptoalerts.ai. I always go right here where it says RSI oversold, because what I'm looking for here is cryptocurrencies that you can see they've had losses, and they actually are definitely oversold based off the indicator, the RSI indicator. This could be a potential opportunity for you to to kind of buy in in these cryptos if you're comfortable and if you know what you're doing. Once again, this is not financial advice. You do your own research. I typically look at the 4-hour interval, and this will give you just a list of tokens or coins that are currently oversold. So now, there are ways you can receive alerts with this software. However, you have to create an account. It's not free, folks. I think it's like $9.99 a month. If you want to get started, I don't have that premium account yet. I don't need to do it because I just do it this way. And as I see it, I go ahead and I go back to my exchange, and I make the buys based off of that. However, I think it's much better to actually do the alerts, because they can give you alerts on any of these different scenarios. They can also create an alert based on whatever your choice is. So like I said, it's only $9.99 a month. I am not affiliate. I'm not an affiliate for this, so this is just want to give you guys just some ideas. So let's take a look on the Coinbase blog here. This excuse me, is what I mentioned earlier. The band protocol, it's actually launching on Coinbase Pro. So on Monday, August 10th, transfer a band into your Coinbase Pro account ahead of the trading account. Support for band will be available on Coinbase Pro, and typically it comes out on Coinbase Pro first, and you can. So I would say anywhere August 10th or later. And when we talk about band protocol, that coin has definitely been pumping on this news. So once it goes live on Coinbase Pro, I do expect it to perhaps go down just a bit, but that'll certainly give folks a buying opportunity if that's what you choose to do. From my perspective, I'm definitely going to wait on the dip once it comes on Coinbase Pro, and I'm positive I'm going to get a position in this coin. So that's just some news I want to share with you guys on Coinbase Pro. Now, just a little bit about band protocol. You can go to 𝗙𝗚𝗡𝗗.com to find out. Remember, before investing in any cryptocurrency, you definitely should just do your research, do your own research, and kind of see what that project is about. So their technical definition of the band protocol is: band protocol is a cross-chain data oracle, a platform that aggregates and connects real-world data and APIs to smart contracts. Okay, so basically, in layman's terms, all that really means is that it takes data that's not on any particular blockchain and aggregates it and connects it with data that is on a blockchain or a smart contract. It's basically all band protocol is. So you want to go to the website here and kind of take a look at this project. I'm actually very, very impressed with this product, and clearly Coinbase is as well. That's why they're going to be listed on that exchange. So another thing I want to talk about real quick, Tezos. Definitely, I'm heavily invested in this particular project. The reason being, on Coinbase, you can earn staking rewards. This is pretty much synonymous with dividends. So basically, once you procure this token over on Coinbase, it'll always stay in your wallet. All it is you earn rewards while you keep your token safely on Coinbase. Okay. Also, the estimated reward rates for staking on Coinbase is 5%. Now, here's a key. This rate's going to change over time based on the staking rewards distributed by the Tezos network, so it can go up or down. And also, you see your rewards in real time on Coinbase. I actually like logging into my account and checking out, the rewards as they increase every single day. Also, last but not least, your assets are protected on Coinbase. So moving forward, I want to talk to you about BlockFi. This is another platform that I like, and as you can see here, you can earn up to 8.6% on your crypto annually. All you really have to do is just simply transfer your crypto over to BlockFi. Create your account first. You go ahead and get started here. Create your account and just simply transfer your cryptocurrency, whether it be Bitcoin, Ethereum, and I think they have a few others as well. But right now I only have Bitcoin that I transferred, and you can just simply, you'll get emails and alerts from these guys, just letting you know how much you've currently earned in rewards. I actually really like this platform. So I'll leave a link in the description. Also, that'll be an affiliate link. It certainly supports the channel. But I'll leave that for you guys. So just go ahead and check this out if you guys are interested. It's very easy to transfer your funds over. And like I said, I don't know who wouldn't want to earn up to 8.6% interest on your crypto just by simply leaving there and watching it grow. And I say this is for the folks who, like myself, invest for the long term. And especially since, we're definitely in the bull market. I mean, things are looking so great for crypto. I mean, I'm extremely excited about it. So it's a lot of potential in this. Crypto is definitely going to make a lot of folks rich. And I will be one of them. So I hope you guys will, like I said, do your own research and, make your own decisions based off of your research. So right here, those other coins that you can put on BlockFi. So it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, USDC. This is a stable coin, GUSD, and PAX. So you can transfer either of those tokens over to BlockFi to earn your rewards. On a final note, this I am really excited about. I did a video months ago regarding unstoppable domains. I think I have about 40 of these unstoppable domains so far. But what I want to talk to you about real quick is that the unstoppable domains has integrated with Coinbase. So here's real quick. I like to jump right into the content. So if you guys have your Coinbase wallet, it's a free wallet you can download from the App Store or wherever. And what you do, excuse me, is on those long, those long Bitcoin addresses, those long cryptocurrency addresses that are pretty much, I mean, God, there's so many characters based off, a hash, if you will. So now what you can do is simply go to the Coinbase wallet, and you'll be able to simply, if you've already purchased an unstoppable domain, for example, one of my many unstoppable domains is 𝗪𝗚𝗡𝗏.crypto. So basically all that means is you could go on this Coinbase wallet. It takes less than a minute. And you can simply transfer, if you wanted to send crypto to anyone. So if I wanted to either, so if someone wanted to send crypto to me, all they would have to do is open up your Coinbase wallet, go to Ethereum or Bitcoin, search for my .crypto domain, which would be 𝗪𝗚𝗡𝗏.crypto. And you can simply transfer your crypto that way. One note here, if you do decide to get this unstoppable domain, just make sure that you claim and manage your cryptos and associate the appropriate Bitcoin or Ethereum addresses with that domain, just so you can, when someone does send you any crypto for whatever reason, you will be able to access that crypto. So I want to keep this video short. It's over 12 minutes long, so let me just end this video. Like I said, I want to share some of my favorites. I mean, I'm investing in a lot more tokens than this, but these are, pretty much my favorites. Cardano, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tezos, Chainlink, Band, Elrond, Ampleforth, Stellar, VeChain, and Hedera Hashgraph. I'd certainly be interested to know what your favorite coins are. If you would, please just put them in the comments below. And also, I'd like to ask that if you like the video, if you like the content, please like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell so you can be notified of future videos. So, thanks again for watching. I want you guys to have a great day, and you guys stay safe.